This is a short video that I've made to show how I had to brutally remove my hard drive from the Toshiba Touro external hard drive casing. In fact, this was the second one I did because I had two of these. I purchased these maybe 3 years ago. The first one went after about 2 years and the second one went very shortly after, which wasn't very good. Anyway, first of all I thought it was maybe the leads, whatever, and I did all the usual checks, swap leads over, etc. And I concluded in the end that it was just the actual interface on the housing to the hard drive. I've had these lying around for about a year and I thought I'd have a go at removing the hard drives just to check whether the two hard drives might still be useful. Basically, as you'll see from the video, it was basically a hammer and chisel job. As you can see, I've used a couple of screwdrivers basically to get the housing open, because there's no obvious way that I can see of getting at the hard drive inside the case. Obviously I did some research on the web and found nothing at all other than other people stating how unreliable these units have been. Anyway, if you've got the patience, have a look through and see me hammering away to remove the drives. If you've had the patience to watch this far, you'll see that eventually I did manage to get the drives out. This is actually the second one that I did, so I'd become, believe it or not, quite proficient at this time. All that there is then to do is to remove that, I don't know what you call it, bit of circuit board. There's 2 screws that basically need unscrewing. That's a 5-second job. Once you've removed both of those screws, you're actually left with the hard drive free and ready for testing. Despite the apparent brutality and cack-handedness, I did manage to remove both the hard drives, the one previous to this and this one. I tested them. Unfortunately, I couldn't recover the data, but I reformatted them and partitioned them, and they now both work perfectly.